When you are doing the stock taking, concentrate on this, on the expected units in stock, so that now you can determine the quantity shortfall. So, and this is the amount that you'll be expecting from the cashier. That when you'll be able to determine the sales shortfall. I'm a short. So I've automated this tool to be able to capture the financial, the income and expenses. Like you can see here, we are starting with the sales. Then we subtract the expenses, so that now we can be able to get the net profit. And this will be done every month. Like you can see, I've listed from month 1 to month 12. So that now this column will calculate the final profit for the year. We also have a statement of financial position, or the balance sheet. Here it is. This is where you list the current assets and the assets and the liabilities, like you can see here. We also have the statement of cash flow, which will list the cash flows from operating activities, from investing activities. Like you can see here, I've added a comment where investing activities are all cash transaction used to buy or sell long-term assets for the business. In the cash flow, we also find the cash flows from financing activities, which will record the long-term debts or equity. That is, if your business is big enough. Then now it will give you the net increase or decrease in cash at the end of the year. I've also prepared the salary schedule in case you have permanent employees. This is the tool that you'll be using to calculate their net pay for the month. So you start with the gross pay, you add the allowances, you subtract the tax, the statutory deductions, you also subtract any advance that was given to the staff. You'll also deduct the NSSF and the other deductions like HELB, so that now you can be able to get the net pay at the end of the month. Yeah, that's in a nutshell, that's what this system is all about. It's simple. Yeah, so I'll take you to the initial budget. This is where you do, these are like a draft. This is where you do all the basic calculations when you are doing an order. This is the list of all the products from the beans. We have rice. We also have the nuts and the flour. And this tool will capture the quantities that you're buying, or rather that you are purchasing, and it will also give you the price of the quantities that you're purchasing. Then now it will you're provided with the amount that you actually need to buy. You don't have to buy if the quantities were 90 kgs from a supplier, you don't have to buy the entire 90 kgs. You can actually list, like here I've listed 5 kgs. Then the tool now will be able to calculate the buying kg price. That is and then it will also give you the buying price per need. This is the buying price for the 5 kgs that you bought. Then now there's the recommended retail price. By recommended I mean what is your neighbor selling, or rather how much is your neighbor selling the same product, so that you don't have now to have a high price for a product as compared to your competitor. Then now this SP represents the selling price for 1 kg. Yeah, and these other columns, these are the nitty-gritties. It shows the total budget, the total purchase budget. How much money do you have that you want to spend? So this column will track. Then this column will also now indicate the sales. Remember the sales, I have added 30% profit for each product. So now, and this now will give me the gross profit before any expenses, before subtracting the expenses. So like in this case, I spent 24,853.02 to buy all these products, these ones, and then I sold them at these prices, so that now to get 6,748, that is in profits. So you can see now that the money has come back to you plus 6,700 on top. It's a good business. Yeah, so basically that is all for now. Thank you.